Williams Atlanta Classic. I've been in business for 7 years. I've dealt with first-time homeowners, second-time homeowners, sellers, investors, and even flippers. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be walking through this house that my client is going to renovate so he can put it back on the market. Some houses, it's worth it to put more money into it so you can sell it for more money. And we're going to walk through the house, point out some things that you should do in order to maximize your value.
I'm owner of Dry Star Cleaning Services. I've been in business since 2007, long and strong. I'm a professional carpet cleaner.
Today I'm here with Dalvon Mack, here cutting grass. I've been in business about 25 years old, since I was old enough to drive.
So when I come through a house, I like to kind of look at the floors and also look at the ceiling. So if you see here, it may be kind of hard to show on camera, but there's like a little line that looks like, it almost looks like a leak. So when a buyer come in, even in this hot market, they see a leak, it's going to scare them. So what we're going to do with that is just probably scrape it a little bit and repaint it so it looks nice and fresh. Okay? All the inside of this house is going to be painted. Now this carpet is not that bad looking, so it's a chance we can just get it cleaned up and then have other carpet installed and match this color. This is a pretty standard builder grade carpet. That's what we're going to go with. When you're trying to flip a house, depending on your price range, you don't need to have a plush sink in the ceiling kind of carpet. Just kind of a builder standard would do. So let's go upstairs. Okay, so if you look down at the floor, you can see that this was a filler that was kind of put in. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have all this taken up, and we're going to put down what they call LVP, luxury vinyl plank, luxury vinyl tile, depending on how you want to call it. Which you would see in some $300,000 homes. So all this is going to be taken up into the kitchen area and put down with LVP. This is like a floating floor. Of course, the chandelier is just fine. We're going to leave this alone. We're going to do some painting in here. The deck, of course, we have all that cleaned out and with the debris. Make sure it looks good. So into the kitchen. So what we're going to do with the kitchen, we're going to have the cabinets painted. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to replace this with a stainless steel vent that kind of match the stainless steel appliances. As I said before, the floor is going to be, because we lost the light, the floor is going to be redone, and we're going to have the kitchen cabinets sanded and painted to kind of make it a little bit more fresher. All right. That's what we're doing here. We might change the faucets out just to give it a more updated look because those look kind of dated. Okay. So coming to the bed, so come down to the hallway. Again, so you look at this carpet is toast. Okay. No cleaning or saving it. So this is going to be ripped up with new carpet installed. It's going to match that carpet. Also, you're going to come closer. Something I want to look out for is in this corner here is going to be, you can see there's been a little water stain, probably from before the roof was fixed. So we're just going to come over here and have that cleaned up. Okay. In the bathroom, we'll just have this kind of cleaned up and repaint it. Might want to update the faucets. That's a really cheap fix, 50-something bucks from Home Depot. Of course, have the toilet cleaned out, have this professional clean. And that's pretty much what we're going to do in here. Now, if you want to, there's an option, maybe putting in a new vanity and a new mirror just to make it look more updated. So we're going to have a new ceiling fan installed, of course, paint carpet. And we'll come into the bathroom. So you look into the bathroom, we're going to have all that cleaned up. Okay, again, there might be an opportunity, depending on the seller's request, to put in a new vanity just to make it look a little bit better, more updated, but all that's going to be cleaned up. Of course, the doors will be painted too.
Here with Dalvon Mack. cleaning his home. What he's having going on right now, it's a full restoration job. What we have going on right now, we have pet odor, pet stains, and we're going to go ahead and treat all that, get all these pet stains out of the carpet to make it a livable area. Because right now, what you see right now, I mean, it's just filthy. What my wife would say, a hot mess.
Hey, how y'all doing today? I'm here with Dalvon Mack, here cutting grass. I've been in business about 25 years old, ever since I was old enough to drive. Name of my business, Larry, lawn care and pressure washing. I get it done. You call me, I'm on time, never late. I also do pressure washing, light hauling, anything I can do with a truck, you know. Just give me a call.
COVID-19 affected my company in such a way. What I came up with, I reduced all my prices. So I've been pretty busy through the COVID-19 because of my prices, but as well, I hope everybody is all well, not sick, and be safe.
Same thing in here, of course, this window will be replaced, have this room painted, and then we're gonna reinstall a bifold closet door here. So you know, the doors kind of open up. So get that on here, make sure we don't have any problem with the appraiser of this bedroom not having a defined closet. Say clean the vents, you don't have to clean out the HVAC system, but definitely, you know, just take a vacuum, clean that and make sure that it looks good. Let's go down here. Definitely have it painted. You know, this is a kind of a great feature. I saw a recent house in the neighborhood that had this set up real nice, and it looked pretty good. So we're just gonna have this room painted. We're not gonna touch the floor down here, and clean the vents again. The bathroom here, what we're gonna do is just have that damaged towel replaced. Take care of any growth that may be on the wood once you pull it down. And, you know, the floor is definitely like 70s style. So, you know, depending on cost, we may go ahead and just put an LVP down here.
Well, COVID didn't really affect my business because, you know, all my stuff is outside, so I don't really have no hand-to-hand contact, you know, cash out. You know, everybody want to cash out everything electronic now, so that's the best way of my payment right now, so I don't have to really deal with nobody, just talk on the phone, make my appointments, go cut it up, pressure wash, and leave, and then get a customer receipt, and have a good day.
They have obsessive pet stains and bad odor and as well high soiling. I'm going to bring this carpet back to life. I have before and after pictures, and we'll show you the after effect once everything is completed and get us smelling good. Make my customer a happy customer and make this a living space.
Make sure you have the full PPE.